Understanding the Vaccination Card, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very relevant and important topic in our lives: the vaccination card. This small but significant document has become a key part of our world. So, let's dive in and understand what a vaccination card is, its importance, and how it's used in everyday life. I hope this video will be insightful and helpful for all of you. A vaccination card is a personal medical document that records the vaccinations an individual has received. It's like a health passport, listing the dates of vaccinations, the types of vaccines administered, and other pertinent details. This card is essential for keeping track of your immunization history, which is crucial for both personal health and public safety. Vaccination cards are not just pieces of paper. They are vital for several reasons. They serve as proof that you have been vaccinated against certain diseases, which is increasingly important for travel, employment, and even attending events. They also help healthcare providers keep track of your vaccinations and determine which vaccines you might need in the future. Keeping your vaccination card safe and accessible is essential. You should store it in a secure place and consider making digital copies for backup. When traveling or visiting certain venues, you may be required to show your vaccination card, so it's a good idea to have a copy easily available on your phone or a physical copy in your wallet. Understanding the vaccination card is crucial in our current times. It's more than just a document. It's a testament to your health and responsibility towards community safety. I hope this video has helped clarify what a vaccination card is and why it's so important. Stay safe and healthy, and see you in the next video.